Good morning. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd. I'd like to take time to go over today's daily planner. There are a few pieces of new information that I think is worthy going over again. We talked about these things in class yesterday, but I want to make sure that you have a good understanding of your day. The first thing is that up on top here, you're going to notice all of the WebEx meeting information. All you need to do today, once you figure out what times you're meeting with your teacher, you enter in Mrs. Olson's WebEx code 808-140-271. Let's look at language arts first. Today, your first thing you'll want to do is check on when you're meeting. Are you in group 1 or group 2? Today, Group 1 is meeting from 11 to 11:20. Group 2 is meeting from 11:25 to 11:45. Check and look for your name under which meeting time you will be meeting with me today. Reminder that this meeting is not optional. Attendance will be taken in both of these meetings. For language arts today, we went over the 3 folders for Emmanuel's Dream. These assignments were given to you on Thursday and Friday of last week. Please make sure that you are all caught up on the assignments in all 3 folders. This was homework and work from last week. Remember, when you don't get your homework done or assignments done from the following week, it puts us behind. Remember that Monday, we ended up working through many of the folders together because many people were not complete or did not have their homework completed. Today, when we meet in our group, we'll be reading our first chapter of Touching Spirit Bear. Please make sure that you have the PDF downloaded ahead of time, and you can find that in the Touching Spirit Bear folder in Schoology under Language Arts. For math today, again, we will be meeting. There are 2 groups. Make sure you know which group you will be meeting. Group 1 is meeting from 9 to 9:20. Group 2 is meeting from 9:25 to 9:45. Again, these meetings are not optional. If you do not see your name in Group 1 or Group 2, that is because you are meeting with Miss West or Miss Skauge. Please meet during your normal meeting times for those teachers. We will be doing today in math, we'll be working through a folder together, and this is all under the September 26th or 22nd folder. So we will go over that at the 9:20 time or the 9:25 time. Note that there will be a discussion following our meeting today. For social studies, again, coming soon, we're doing a lot of prep work with Touching Spirit Bear that ties along with our social studies. So again, that will be coming soon. In science today, we're going to continue with our mini PBL project. I have recorded a screencast of the directions here. Make sure that you watch those screencast directions before moving on with your day in science. You're going to be adding a need to know list in your science notebook. You do not need to turn this in. You will need to have this handy when you get back to school on Thursday, as we will be continuing our learning with the PBL project on Thursday at school. It is expected that you come to school on Thursday with the need to knows in your science journal. Lastly, for specialists, reminder that specialists are now only done at school from here on forward unless we hear something else. We had learned today from admin that that's how we are moving forward with specialists. So only at school you will complete your specialists. Do not work through the art or music folders like we had talked about at the beginning of the year. As always, if you have any questions for me today, as they arise, I will be answering questions today on Schoology through messaging. So please feel free to reach out at any time.